Hey guys, it's Jordan with WTI. So I'm always looking for a comfy summer dress, but that's modest. Kind of hard to find. But look no further. This is the Floerns Boho Ditsy Floral Midi dress. I know it's a mouthful, so worth it. Let me show you why. This is the A blue color. Can you tell the color? Very light dusty blue. I love it. Comfortable. The sleeves, there's no form-fitting sleeves, so your arms have room to breathe. It comes in right here. It's not tight whatsoever, but it just forms and then it goes down. Very comfy, very cute, very modest. It is a little sheer, so remember you might have to wear something underneath if you're out in public, your call. But I love the fit. I was so excited because there's such a variety of colors. I'll be ordering some more for sure. This is an extra large. I looked at the chart and it was spot on. So make sure you look at the chart beforehand. It is a polyester blend. I haven't washed it yet, but I will be doing it on delicate and taking care of it. So when you're ready to get something modest and cute for the summer, check out this midi dress. And that's my point of view.